Well, Mr. Chopp is getting slime because we met our Kids Heart Challenge goal of $6,000. Awesome job by all our kids that raised the money. And we raised $6,210.58. So Mr. Chopp agreed to get slime, and we're doing it today. So he's a good sport for doing this kind of thing.
First of all, I say that I love this school and I would do anything for these kids. That's number one. And I'm very proud of them raising over $6,000 for the American Heart Association. That's just awesome. Way to go, Miss Amesbury. Way to go, kids! Woo!
Shampoo.
There you go. Miss Amesbury, you should have done it. Don't you?
I should have.
You could have. We missed it. We missed it. How cold is it? I recorded the whole
Good job. Good job. You'll have to show James.
I know.
Yeah, and Peyton. Oh, that was awesome and gross. Ooh.